Hi everyone, this is Ahmed and I'm a business student from class 11, and today we're going to be discussing about the Amazon wholesale FBA business model. And in this video I'm going to tell about that specifically why wholesale FBA and why on Amazon. As we all know, Amazon is an online marketplace, actually world's largest marketplace for buying and selling of products. And when we combine wholesale with that, like the wholesale is we buy inventory in bulk from manufacturers and distributors, and then sell them as a retailer. But in this specific case, we are selling them on Amazon. And FBA is a terminology used for Amazon, like it's known for fulfillment by Amazon. So why all these things? We're going to be discussing that in next 5 minutes. So first, we should come to the Amazon. Like why on Amazon? Amazon has already a base of its customers already established inside many countries. So we don't have to do the marketing of our products on internet since it's already it's already listed on Amazon. Now, why wholesale? Because wholesale is considered as a safe business model as compared to PL and online arbitrage and dropshipping. Like these aren't the sustainable models, but the safest is like the wholesale as compared to all of the other we have discussed. And why FBA? Because FBA takes away all the hassle from you as a seller. Like you don't have to ship your products to the customer. You don't have to process the inventory. You just have to ship them to the FBA warehouses. Then it's their headache to pick, pack, ship, and take their returns and all provide all the service to the customers. So we save a lot of time from there as a businessman. So basically, wholesale business model, and in when we combine wholesale with Amazon, so we have to look out for a few things, such as we have to find a profitable niche and a profitable products to do business on Amazon, since it's like we can say it's a sort of hard but more of a complicated thing. So you have to be consistent in that procedures in what we call the product hunting. So the product hunting requires some tools and softwares that we will discuss about later. And the wholesale business model is basically about all about the inventory. When you find a profitable product and a profitable niche, then it's about the relationship between you and the distributor, or in if you're working with a brand. Well, most of the times we don't work with the manufacturer itself. We have to work with the distributor, because the manufacturer will not work with us since our volumes are not going to be high enough in the initial stage. And we don't recommend as well to put a lot of capital into the wholesale model at initial stages. Speaking on capital, it requires approximately 5 to 10,000 US dollars to start up in the US, particularly since I'm doing business in USA. And for the UK market, I can tell it's relatively less. Say, for example, if you need $5,000 to $10,000 for US market, you're going to need like half of the money for the UK market. But it's so much saturated that we don't do business in the UK. We are doing business in the USA. So we were talking about building a relationship with our manufacturer and distributor. So when I talk about this, like in the beginning, we are not going to establish a very good relationship with our distributors. And when I'm saying building a relationship with distributor, it means building a relationship with distributors. Like if you're working with them, like 3 to 4 years, then they're going to give you some additional advantages. But for now, we can discuss about that since it's a later thing. For now, we can see like which products are maximum profit, have contains maximum profit and have the lowest competition. So that's our strategy for the first step, like finding the products that have less competition and more that has more ROI. So since it's not that difficult, but you have to be consistent in that and use some tools for that. Since one tool is most common and it's like the most essential thing for Amazon wholesale FBA business, and that is the Keepa. You have to analyze products through Keepa, and they have the most authentic and the most reliable you can say the data in all of the tools that we have. So after finding a profitable product and heading out towards its manufacturer, the most of the time the manufacturer is going to redirect us towards their distributor, to their authorized distributor. Then we have to purchase in the inventory. Then we have to like take it to our 3PL, and then we have to call the Amazon to pick that inventory and take them to their FBA centers. Now it's not our headache. Now they're going to handle our products for us, and of course they're going to charge a price for that. Thank you for joining this today's session of Amazon Wholesale FBA. I hope you really liked the video. And with that, we will come up with next informative video as soon as possible on Amazon Wholesale FBA. So stay tuned for that. And for today, bye bye.